Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is all about tips. I want to give you guys all the real life tips that I have came to know from past 2 years during my skincare research and while I was making videos and stuff, and the amount of dermatologists I talked to for my videos. So I was doing so many mistakes, and I suffered so many skin issues. And now I think there are certain things that everyone should know. Man, woman, I think this video will help any beginner or also someone. I mean, watch the video. Some of the tips you might still don't know, even if you're heavy into skincare. I mean, that's possible. I always learn something new from people, so watch that video. But if you're someone who's just trying to get into skincare, watch this video. Every tips in this is helpful for man, woman, girls, boys, everyone. So let's start. Also subscribe, hit that like, it's free, do it. First tip is exfoliate once a week. Exfoliation removes dead skin cell from your surface of the skin, leaves your face looking fresh and radiant. It can really help to give you healthy glow to your skin, which is a bonus when you're aiming to go for makeup free kind of look. Find a skin product or face wash or a mask with specific exfoliating particles, which can use at least once a week, but as often as every 2-3 days at least for best result. Alternatively, you can exfoliate using clean washcloth soaked in warm water. Rub your face gently with washcloths in slow circular motion. This option is good for people with skin that is sensitive to ingredient in those facial washes. Also, never scrub your face too hard with that exfoliator or use it too often. This will dry out your skin and leave it feeling irritated, which is the last thing that you want. Tip number 2: wear sunscreen always. You should wear sunscreen every day, even if it's cold, cloudy, snowy, as UVA UVB rays can still damage your skin. Sun damage will cause your skin to age prematurely, and in extreme cases it can lead to skin cancer and other skin conditions. Aim to use SPF 30 or higher. If possible, find a sunscreen which doubles as a moisturizer. That will make your sunscreen application easy to remember if you're just starting out. Tip number 3: always remove your makeup that is left overnight can clog the pores and lead to pimples. Use a specific makeup removing product like foaming cleanser or micellar water or cream or balm to remove makeup, rather than your regular face wash to do the whole job. You can also use a specific or special eye makeup remover to clean off mascara, eyeshadow, eyeliner, all those hard to remove makeup products, or for sensitive areas like eyes and lips and stuff. Tip number 4: use toner. Toner is a skincare product that has often been overlooked but can do wonders when it comes to improving the appearance of your skin. Toner restores your skin's natural pH balance along with many other benefits depending on your skin type or depending on your type of toner. Look for the toners that are alcohol free. Alcohol free toners are less drying on the skin and helps to even out your skin tone. For instance, toner designed for oily acne prone skin can help to remove excess oil and tighten the pores, while toners for dry skin can help to soothe irritation and lock in that extra moisture. Toner appropriate for your skin type can be used every day after cleansing and before moisturizing. For me, I do exfoliation AHA BHA every week, so for daily I need salicylic acid either face wash or salicylic acid toner, so I'll use either of those. You don't have to use the product or brand that I'm showing in this video. I'm just showing the product that I'm currently using. Tip number 5: stop touching your face. Stop it. This is a habit many people are guilty of, including myself, and I am trying so hard to get rid of it. It can seriously affect the quality of your skin. Picking at spots, rubbing your forehead, or simply resting your chin like this on your hand are all the things which add oil and bacteria to your skin, causing it to break out and look greasy, and the skin infection can be worse than the blemish itself in most cases, I suppose. Rubbing at your face can also loosen the skin, causing premature wrinkles. Therefore, if you want to improve the appearance of your skin, make an effort to stop unnecessarily touching your face. One of the things that I do quite a lot still is rubbing my eyes before sleep, and that's the only way I could fall asleep. My mom does it and I kind of picked it from her, but nowadays I'm making active if effort to not rub my eyes, and it's hard. So what I do is I apply really expensive eye cream that kind of makes me feel like, oh, I don't want to waste the eye cream, so I stop rubbing it. Tip number 6: wash your face twice daily. Face wash is a key factor in looking good without makeup. I mean skincare, not face wash, entire skincare. Spend what time and money you would spend applying and purchasing makeup on your skincare instead. And for that, first and foremost, you want a good face wash. A face wash that is suitable for your skin type. Use it twice a day, once in morning and once at night. Although it may be tempting to wash your face more than twice a day if it's summer or if you have oily skin, this is not advisable though. Overwashing can make your skin dry and irritable, causing it to look worse rather than better. Develop a skin regime for your face. Whatever regime you choose, stick to it and always follow through. Repeat the regime in the morning and at night. Do it at least for 3 weeks to see any result. Number 7: wear moisturizer daily. Now that's something I think all the men or boys should listen to me. Guys, don't wear like, why not moisturizer? Why not? What's the problem? Moisturizer is important even if you have oily skin. I don't get it. I don't think girls have issue with this tips, and I think this is like a basic tips. I know some people might be angry at me. You're just telling us to use moisturizer. That's not a tip, bro. It's a tip because lots of guys still don't use moisturizer. They just wash their face and then just go out. Every time you wash your face, you should follow it up with an application of facial moisturizer. Pick a quality daily moisturizer, preferably one with SPF would be better, and apply it every day after your face wash. You can also opt for slightly richer or thicker moisturizer for nighttime. Always choose a moisturizer that is suited for your skin type. If you have sensitive skin, go for something that is gentle and unscented. If you're prone to pimple, try to use something light and non-oily. Drier skin types should go for heavier moisturizer with soothing and nourishing ingredients like shea butter, aloe vera, things like that. Most night creams usually are thicker, so if you're buying especially night cream, it will do the job. You don't have to search thick moisturizer. Now tip number 8: take care of your skin from the inside out. Now be sure to get at least 8 hours of sleep per night, to drink plenty of water. Sleep gives your skin chance to repair and restore itself. It leaves your skin looking fresh without dark circle beneath your eyes. While drinking water hydrates the skin and purifies it from the inside out. It flushes out the toxics. Although the exact amount of water you need varies by your individual needs. In general, men need like a 15.5 cups, so 3.7 liters. Women need 11.5 cups, so around 2.7 liters of fluid daily. Note that about 20% of that daily intake will usually come from food. So most of our food has water, so other 80% comes from water. So you have to drink. So that's it. Hit like and subscribe. It makes me so happy that you made it till the end of this video. Comment down this emoji so I know you've watched the full video. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.